Hey guys, what's up? The Cool Kid here, and today I'm going to be playing a game called Stunt Car Racing. Well, it's multiplayer stunt car racing, but it's something like that. So there's these modes which are multiplayer modes, but right now I have no Wi-Fi because I'm at a siblings baseball game. So yeah, and maybe we're gonna be doing these single player things. I usually play stunt mode. Like I got this just a little bit ago. I like playing stunt mode. I played some of these once, like I did Military Mayhem once. I like it. I like doing free roam just because. So we're gonna do stunt mode. So how you do it in stunt mode is you do flips and tricks and stuff to try and get the most points. As you can see, right above the mode map, I have my high score is 96,000, and that's pretty good. So here, I'll do some free roam just to show you what like the mechanics are. So I'm gonna do the same map. So how this game whoa. How this game works is you just press gas pedal to go, brake pedal to stop, and then when you hit the and then the two arrows for left and right, and then what you can do is you can hit this like the red fire button above the pedal to boost, and the yellow bar on the left goes down when you boost, and then you can do tricks and stuff. The boost just makes you go faster. So yeah. And this is the same map that the stunt mode is on. So I'll just go around this map, show you the stuff. It's not that much. Oh, yeah. And when you boost, say you go like that, when you do a trick like airtime or something, it earns you that stuff back. So there's this big orange thing, which there's a mode called infection mode where it's kind of like tag. It's kind of like infection tag. Like someone tags you and you're one of them and you tag someone else. Place things to do is to go up in this little orange thing. And in free doing is I'm going to be going off these things a lot. Because you can do with some pretty cool tricks. By the way, in free roam you have a like motorcycle thing. And then another cool thing is we have this mountain straight ahead of me. And you can go up the walls. Going up the walls is fun. Watch. Boom. And just kind of drift down them. So now that we've gone over like the basics, another fun thing to do, cause why not? Is just go like this. I'll show you in just a second. Another fun thing to do is just to go like this and make really circle things. Be back in just a second once I've made a massive one, cause they're really fun to make. Well, that was fun. Look at that. It's gonna disappear in just a second. And it's gone. So yeah, now I'm gonna play some free roam. Hold on. Something is wrong. Yep. Okay, go play some free roam. Yes. Not free roam, stunt mode. So when you do this, you have a minute and 30 seconds to do as much random crap as you can. And yeah, let's go. Start loading stunt mode. And as you can see, in a bike, right under stunt mode at the top. So this is one of my favorite things to do. Just go like that. I can just spin around in the air. And by the way, if you crash, you don't get the points. So I crashed, and that was amazing. And it's actually kind of hard not to crash. And then you can do drifts, which get you points. Well, sometimes. Oh, come on. Does that count as crashed? I only got 618. Really? So another big point thing, if you happen to ever get this game, is to go like that, and then just go off the edge. If you can land it, then you get a ton of points, but look at that. Sometimes in this game you do crazy stuff, but it gives you no points. Like this. Like, really? I basically landed. Come on. Yeah. And right above the Boost Brothers horn. I'm going to take one last try. Because I have 10 seconds left. I'm just going to boost. Come on, I gotta land something. I gotta get some dignity. Rampage! Oh, come on. Yeah. That was one of my best ones. You back again in one of the other modes. So this is Pinball Panic. I don't think I've ever played this one before. I think how it works is you're just trying to hit pins. Played it, so I probably this. Oh. This doesn't. I never do very well at this game. So don't get mad. Okay, that was fun. Okay, let's do that again. Okay. So this is actually kind of hard. No! No! That sucked. Okay, we're gonna do this one more time. It's not gonna... What the heck is my car doing? No. Whatever. Yeah, these are failures. I told you guys I would suck at it. It's my first... No, just screw life. Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's do something else. Let's try, Military Mayhem. And I think what you do for this one is you just line up with the targets. And then you hit the button right above the brake pedal to fire. Boom. Oh, come on. Yeah. Now I just go along over here. Bam! Get him. Get him. Get him. Ha! Get him. Now we start going up this hill and hit this one. Ha! Get him. Ha! Get him. Make the snipe of the century. Aw. Yeah, that's kind of boring. Let's do double and dash. So grab as many points as you can within 60 seconds. Okay. Be back when it loads. And we're back. Oh. So we got bronze coin. No! Dang it. Ooh, I see gold coin. What? How did I miss that? How? Tell me. How? There we go. Let's get that bronze coin I saw over here. You know, screw this. So guys, I think that'll be it. Thank you so much for watching if you are. And I really hope that the 4 subscribers I have now are not just all of the my parents. Yeah. My goal is to have 1 subscriber who is not my parent. So yeah, see you dudes. Bye. And I also really like pancakes. Yeah. Yeah. See ya, dudes. Bye. Okay, seriously, this is the last time. I'm sorry. Bye. Okay.